Hi friends, this is Kishore. Welcome back to my channel. Last week we had very wild week and hopefully next week would be good. And I would like to cover weekly market analysis, high yields, treasury bond selling, Powell comments, Tesla earnings report, seasonality chart, market breadth stats, ABT stock bonds, and one good book. And this is not a finish advice, just for knowledge purpose only. Let's jump into the show. So as we always start, the fear and greed index right now it is in the fear. I thought based on the market volatility it will go to the extreme fear, but it stayed above fear, extreme in the fear only. And this is heat map, daily heat map. Most of them are red, especially consumer cyclical and technology. And weekly heat map. We can see here clearly medical devices, household, and restaurants. They made a small bounce. Last couple of weeks they were down crazy because of the Ozempic issue. And this is ETF weekly heat map. We can see most of them are down except the commodities gold silver, and mostly because of the war issue. And this is weekly sector performance except energy and xlp, most of them are down. xlc communication services survived less than 1% because the Netflix results are good and Netflix bounced a lot. And this is Powell comments. Powell said mostly November there is no rate hike, but based on the economic conditions, economy is able to adjust that high interest rate, so they may rise the interest rates depending upon the economic output on the month of November. And TNX whole market is looking at this one. If it breaks 5, right now it is at 4.93, and last week it came couple of times into the 5 and rejected. If it breaks 5, growth sector hit a lot because of this interest rate yields. And TNX depends on the term premium. So if you see the term premium, this is from Federal Financial Stability Report. It came on September end, and based on that it is at zero point 0. Maybe it would be a little bit up from compared to the September, but it is not in a tradable high, so it is still there is a chance it can go up. If it goes up, then TNX can go up. If it goes up, then QQQ sector may hit bad. And this is TLT bonds also hit 82, around 82, like June 2007 levels. um, because a lot of selling is still happening. You can clearly see here China selling treasury bonds, agency bonds, corporate bonds, and stocks a lot. And this is 10-year, 2-year yield curve inversion in the SPY in the down. You can clearly see whenever the inversion turned from negative to the positive, market went down sooner or later. So you can see in the December 2000, and also in the May 2007, and August 2019. We can make it this is a COVID scenario, but if you can, but in the December 2000 and May 2007, the scenarios are same. So right now it is at minus 0.14. So if it goes above 0, then there is a chance market can go down, but it's just an assumption only. And this is Tesla earnings. So Tesla missed its earnings both on revenue, on both earnings and revenue, after 2019 second quarter. So most of the analysts downgraded the Tesla price targets. As I mentioned in the last week video, I'm following the Tesla stocks closely because based on the Tesla stock price, QQQ may react very closely with the stock price of the Tesla. And this is the number of stocks in the SPY about 20-day moving average. Whenever hit 14, around 14 or below 14, then SPY made a low, a swing low, and from there it up. So right now it is at 21, so there is still chance it can go down. And this number of stocks in SPY more than 200-day moving average. So whenever it comes to the 14, that's a very good spot to buy stocks in SPY. It happened in March 2020 and June 2022 and September 2022. So right now it is at 31.80. And this is VIX daily chart. So even though on Friday SPY and QQQ went down a lot, so VIX not went up much. Maybe one of the reason I'm thinking is because of the options expirations, lot of volume was down. So that may be the reason VIX is not up that much on the Friday. And this is this week, coming week earnings. I'm most of them are mega caps. I'm looking at the 3M and also the Amazon and Exxon. And this is October market performance. It's a like from 1950 to 2019. So these dashed lines are pre-election years. So in the pre-election years, up to 18th day of the October, market went down. From there it bounced. So the red one is the Russell IWM. See, it was the most beaten index. So we can clearly see here, and it happened to the IWM. You can see in the next charts. And this SPY daily chart. So it break the 20-day moving average. So with the high volume, so next level of support I see is 418, and if it breaks, then 410 is the next level of support. And on Friday, based on the market net flow in the trade ethics, the lot of put options are still there, and call options are not much, and short covering is not happened on Friday. So there is a still chance it may go down, and short covering may happen and then bounce. Otherwise, it still continue to the go down. And as we talked, 409 or 409 is the good support. And this SPY weekly chart based on the Oliver Kell, if 10 EMA breaks the 20-day EMA, 20 EMA, then this cup and handle pattern is invalidated, and 413 is the level we need to look at for the SPY. And this is QQQ daily chart. So right now it is at 354, and the volume is high, the CSI is still going down. So the next support levels I see are 359 and 351 and 349. And this is a weekly chart. Again, the cup and handle pattern holds valid only if it stays about 349. Otherwise, cup and handle pattern invalidated. And this is IWM went to the 166, and if it breaks here, then I next support is 163 and 160, and the resistance is 169. And on the weekly chart, we can clearly see here, if it breaks 166, the next support, real good support I see is 145. Otherwise, if it bounces here, that's a good to the small cap. And the ABT stock I talked in my last video. So this week they gave very good results, and it made a twister bottom kind of thing. So I took some small positions here, and CSI is going up. So this is one of the good stock, and this is one of the good book, like the mental game of trading. This is psychology of the market. So I like this book, so and I recommended a few of my friends to read this book, because stock market is mostly play with the humans emotions like fear and greed. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please watch more videos in my channel. Please share if you like these videos to any of your friends, and please hit the bell icon so that you'll get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.